What's up, guys? It's your boy Allan Wade. Thank you so much for joining me. Real quick and simple video, guys. Subscribe if you are on YouTube, and like and follow if you are on Instagram. Okay, so guys, these are some resistance bands. Pandemic hit, gyms closed, everybody that had fitness goals got quarantine weight, right? We went online to try to buy some weights. They quickly got sold out. The people that sold them, that bought them all, put them all on third-party sites, jacked the prices up. Free weights are expensive as hell now, right? So I thought an alternative would be some resistance bands. So I got some resistance bands. So we're gonna see what's inside, and if you like what you're seeing, maybe you might want to consider buying yourself some resistance bands so you can avoid those expensive free weight prices. All right, so without further ado, let's see what's inside this box.
A-dubb Productions.
I'll tell you guys right now, this is not going to be a very exciting unboxing because these are just resistance bands. This is what the box looked like. I'm an Amazon affiliate. If you're watching on YouTube, my Amazon affiliate link will be down in the description below if you want to purchase yourself some resistance bands. Okay, so we're opening it up. We got this Velcro patch thing right here. I'm assuming it does something like this, maybe. Yeah, I don't know, but set that to the side, right? We got that. What else we got? We got a whole slew. Oh, look at that. That's everything that's in the box right there. All right, sheesh. All right, so we got this right here. I guess you can hook these around your wrists or something, or maybe, I'm not sure. Got that right there with some Velcro straps. Oh yeah, definitely. You can hook these around your wrists and you can tighten it up. That's what I'm thinking. Not sure though. You know, we have not read the instruction pamphlet yet. Don't know if I'm gonna read the instructions. All right, then we got this thing. Have no idea what this is. Some ball with a rubbery thing in here, right? We got this thing. Oh, this is definitely good. You can like resistance train like that. It's very light, but I feel my shoulders getting worked already. Got that, right? And you got a whole slew of different weight resistance bands tied around. See, I told you this was a quick and easy unboxing. You got 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 40 pounds, and 50 pounds. Plenty of resistance to play around and work out with. I'm assuming that you lock each end on to these like that, right? You lock it around your wrist and you do some resistance training. Pretty cool. Very inexpensive on Amazon. I got this set for $29.99, guys. You can't beat it. $29.99, you cannot beat it. We also got, also got some of these. These are the ones you hook up to it and you can like pull like you're doing curls or something like that. You know, those machines that got that. So we got 2 of those. That's pretty cool. We got like a registration card. You can scan that with your phone and I guess it opens something up, gives you some maybe some workouts or something like that. I'm not sure. Oh, and best of all, we got a pouch to put all this stuff inside. That's really dope. So it won't make a mess in your house. You got all this, and you can put it all in one pouch. All of it fits in one pouch. So for those of you who are just gonna get it and never use it, which are probably going to be most of you guys, you can just put it right here. Boom. Know that you got it. You can get a workout anytime you want. You got some workout tips right here. What's included with the instructions tells you what's included. Give you some workout options, and oh, this is dope. Gives you a whole slew of different workouts that you can do. I think this is really cool right here because a lot of us don't know all the workouts and not are not creative enough to figure out all the workouts you can do using these resistance bands. And this little chart right here gives you a whole lot of ideas that you can implement for your workout. So I think this is really, really cool. And we're going to see if we can get shredded using these resistance bands, guys. So stay tuned for the shredded.
A-dubb Productions.
So I think it's dope, man. We got a lot of different options in here. A lot of different options in this kit. It's a little $29.99. You cannot beat it, guys. You cannot beat this. $29.99. Got all these little doodads and knickknacks to get in shape with. All these little options right here. Empty out the kit. Whole bunch of stuff in here. I think this is great. I think this is awesome. I can't wait to start using it. I can't wait to figure out what this thing is. Let me cut this real fast. Got the scissors right here. Nice. Cut that open. And you got all of your different bands. All right, most likely, you don't know, might not be the 20s. And you can tell by the thickness the resistance. These are the 20s. These are the 30s. And it just gets thicker and thicker as you go along. These are the 50s, the heavy ones. These are the 40s right here. 30, 40, and these are the 50s, which are the thickest ones. Yep. So you get all these little goodies. Oh, and you got 10s. These little skinny ones. All right, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. What is your excuse to not get in shape, guys? You got all the equipment that you need right here, and it can fit into one little tiny bag. No excuses.
A-dubb Productions.
Very, very inexpensive alternative to going into a gym. If you don't feel like going into a gym, like I said, just put all this stuff inside of the bag like this. All of it fits right in. I think what this does, this actually can hold everything together like that. Not sure. All that wrapped into one little small package right here. I can put these inside if I want. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is a cool alternative to going to the gym. And I can feel these things working out already for the chesticle area. Oh yeah. Let me know what you guys think. I will be using these. I don't even know if I'm using them right, but yeah, you can definitely get some workout in with this. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like this video if you like it, thumbs down if you don't, whatever, guys. Just wanted to show you guys a quick alternative to something that you can work out with at home. Doesn't take up any space at all. Quick little fix for staying in shape. Muscle burns fat. Gain some muscle, kill some fat. Just thought I'd show you guys something real fast. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Subscribe if you're on YouTube, Instagram. Follow, like, stay tuned for more. Talk to you guys later. Allan Wade, peace.